Today's adventure is a nature walk.
A what?
Yeah, you know, looking at leaves and trees and bugs.
But Mr. McGregor's garden is full of radishes right now, just waiting for us to...
Hey, Lily, why is it greener around the edges? Because that's where the sunlight touched it. I know that for a fact.
OK, then. Nature walk it is.
Yeah! Wow! Oh, that's brilliant! I don't believe it! Look!
What? What is it? A secret tunnel? A hidden cave?
It's a ladybird that looks just like Florence. I'm going to call him Lawrence, and I'll carry him everywhere, just like you do.
Ow! I just wish this nature walk was a little more adventure-y. Wait for me! Now this looks like fun!
Doesn't it? See how quick the minnows are. They must be really hard to catch.
Almost as hard as crossing the stream. Watch this.
Oh, wow!
Woo! Not bad, huh?
Yeah, Lily nearly caught a minnow.
Hey! Watch this! Look at me! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Peter, be careful! Mr. McGregor might see you.
Come on up! It's fun! Whoa! Oh, look out below! Are you okay?
Oh, I think so. Oh no! Lily's magnifying glass!
I'm really sorry, Lily. Is it okay?
I can fix it.
So, how about that radish raid now?
I was kind of enjoying the nature walk. Maybe later.
Well, I'm just going to go now. If that's okay with you.
Sure. See you later.
See you later.